everyone, one more Valentine's 2025 video for you. This one is a very thin, kind of a perfect box. You know what for. Here's what we have inside. We have a Hershey's bar. Look at that. So absolutely perfect, made the measurement perfect for that. A great gift. Great Valentine's. Thank you so much for being my Valentine's. Great for co-workers, for your friends, your neighbors. Here's the one that we're making together. Just use your beautiful paper and very simple to make. You won't believe how quick this is going to be. So get your paper, your glue, all your materials, use your ephemera, everything that you have for decoration, and let's make this beautiful box. So to make the box, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There you go. You need a paper that is 7 1/8 of an inch by 5 5/8 of an inch, okay? So we're going to score at 3/8 of an inch here. Have to hold here, otherwise the paper moves. 3/8 and then 3/4 of an inch. And 5 3/4. Then we're going to turn and we're going to score at 3/8 of an inch again, 2 5/8. Let me just make sure. Yes, 2 5/8. So right here, 2 5/8, 3 and 5 1/4. Okay, all the scoring is done. And don't worry because I have all the measurements for you, okay? Now let's do all the scoring lines here, and then I'll show you where you need to cut. Going to have to do some cutting here. I'm going to make it, see if I can make it a little bit easy for you to see where we need to cut, okay? So basically we have, I'm going to use my pencil here just to make it easy for you to see, okay? Because otherwise it can be a little complicated. Can look complicated because it's not really. So that's here. So you have 2 scoring lines here, right? And I'm going to do the ones here too, just so you see it's easier for you. Because otherwise you'll go, oh, where did she cut again? Because this box is quite easy to make, but you have to understand. So there you go, now very easy. So we're going to cut here, here. This all goes, and actually all of this is gonna go. All of this. So this part here goes, this part here goes. Yes. So there you go. We're going to cut all of this, cut this, and then this is going to be the flap, and you cut here, okay? So let me do the cutting, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here is what we're left with. We have these 2 flaps, because when we close, this is going to be the flap that's going to close, and that's what we're going to do. So here at the bottom, we are going, let me just move it this way, yeah. So we're going to cut here, totally, remove it, and we're going to cut it at an angle here. There, here, here. Let me just see. Yeah. Yeah, this one goes too. So we're going, this is going to be the bottom. this is going to be, we're going to close it like that. See? So we're going to have here at the top these two flaps, and that's going to close. Then this goes all the way here, and here at the bottom we're going to close here, here, and then like this. So very simple, actually, not complicated at all. So the first thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to first there you go. Yeah, I'm going to put some glue here first. And we are going to close the sides like this. And here on the top, I'm going to cut at an angle just to make it easier to fold in like this. So see? So that's ready, and then we're going to do the bottom. The bottom is quite easy. So we're going to put some glue here. Some glue. Since this is going to be the front, I want this one to be the last. So we're going to close it here. And then close it here. Just gonna hold a little bit. So here we are ready to decorate. So that's how easy was that, huh? So we have our box. This is going to be, you can make this the front and leave this at the back, or make this, I'm going to do that this time. And I have prepared a little panel with the sticker, and I put some washi tape here. And I'm going to, I like the front to be where it actually closes the door, the box. So that's it. We're going to decorate it like this. So make sure it's aligned. There you go. Just press it down, but you decorate with whatever you have, all your ephemera or your stamps. So there we go. We are ready to put the Hershey's here. And it's going to fit perfectly. I like to, don't have to, but I like to fold this in like this. And there you go. We have our pretty little box ready to go. You close it, see? Very cute. So there is one. There is the other one, and you have your Hershey's bar. You have the box for that. Perfect size. The final size here is, so you know, 6 by 2 1/4. 6 by 2 1/4. How cool is that? Did you like it? Please let me know in the comments below. Very easy and quick to make, and you don't have to have a lot of paper either. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.